Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm a fashion makeup artist based in London. I'm just going to run through my top 7 MUA brushes. The F1 has quite firm bristles, which actually allow you to blend much easier in circular motions. It's great for most cream foundations, so a winner. My second favourite is the MUA F2. So as you can see, it's a stipple brush, similar to other high street competitors, but much better price point, and I found that washes really, really well. Perfect for using on cream blusher. If you want to use for highlight, you can. Lots of people tend to use it for foundation. I find a flat brush better. When you use a stipple brush for foundation, most of the product ends up further down the brush, so you're losing product. That's my personal opinion. My third is a powder brush, which is F6. So as you can see, it's contoured. Perfect for bronzer and for playing with contours. So I actually prefer using a slanted brush when I put on a bronzer, just because I have a little bit more control. The fourth one is F11. So it's perfect for highlighter, perfect for powdering around smaller areas, around the nose, under the eyes, on the chin. Really good all round, this one. And if you want to blend something really quickly on the eye, you can just whack it over your eye as well. The next one is E3. So really lovely to blend in the crease of the eye, all over the socket. And again, if you want to use a little bit more precision highlight, it's perfect for that. Now, the E10 is my favourite for concealing. So around the eye, around the nose, any spot concealing, you can stipple it on and then blend it out. Really good. And last but not least, the E9. Can you see it? So it's perfect for getting into the socket to blend out if you want to do a smoky. It's just a really good eye brush. Any highlighter, getting into the tear ducts in the centre of the eye, E9. Overall, I feel like the brushes are an amazing price point, just as good, if not better, as other leading makeup brands, and they wash really well. So that's my run through on my top MUA brushes.